Hi, my name is Lakshmi Sravastava.
Your name Devi Bharati.
Vaishnavi Vani.
Title Nanda.
Dhruvraj
Anurag Bagchi.
I'm from Tamil Nadu.
from Uttarakhand.
From Shirdi.
Hyderabad.
From Lucknow.
From Kolkata, West Bengal.
From Dhenkanal, Odisha.
These are not just testaments, they are testaments of transformation. Change that has empowered underserved engineering talent from diverse backgrounds and regions across every corner of India. This metamorphosis has unlocked their untapped potential, turning them into high-impact professionals emerging from those at the base of the pyramid. We are iAspire Mind Foundation, the driving force behind this extraordinary revolution, advancing socio-economic development through the power of technology and skills. Through the world's first of its kind, for industry, by industry skills development program, we bridge the talent gap in cybersecurity and emerging tech by deep skilling fresh engineering talent through 2 to 6 months residential boot camp programs. These programs offer industry-endorsed certifications by NASSCOM Sector Skills and provide ready-to-deploy skilled talent. Our programs offer a unique learning experience guided by industry and subject matter experts, providing unparalleled exposure to industry forums, events, learning platforms and mentorships, while also developing key life skills. Over 350 students from 18 states, along with more than 35 companies and 90 mentors, have already joined this transformative mission. Now it's your turn to become a change agent and help build an Atmanirbhar digital Bharat. Pledge now to hire fresh talent in your organization through this unique initiative and promote cybersecurity and other emerging tech talent from underserved communities and far corners of India. iAspire Mind Foundation. Empowering lives, shaping tomorrow.